Good morning, good evening. Thank you for choosing the Nonpartisan Journal. I'm Anna Monroe. Here are our top stories. A new tax rule requires PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo to report payments of $600 or more to the IRS this year. Parents who received the monthly child tax credit could owe money at tax time. Texas supermarket chain H-E-B buys a vacant supermarket in southern Dallas. The Biden-Harris administration is cracking down on payments made through third-party apps, requiring platforms like PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo to report transactions that exceed $600 in 1 year. Beginning January 1st, 2022, third-party payment processors were required to report such transactions. To clarify, business owners are already required to report these incomes to the IRS. This new requirement will simply ensure that small businesses that receive payments through those apps are paying taxes on them. Previously, the payment apps were required to send users 1099-K forms if their gross income surpassed $20,000 or had more than 200 transactions per year. This new rule is reported to be for goods and services only and not personal transactions, such as reimbursement paid to a family member or anyone selling personal items at a loss. Example is a laptop purchased for $900 but then sold for $700. It was stated on PayPal's website that users should consider the amounts shown on their 1099-K when calculating gross receipts for their income tax return, and that the IRS will be able to cross-reference both the user's report as well as PayPal's. In 2021, Congress changed the child tax credit, altering it from $2,000 to upwards of $3,600 for each child. The final payment was delivered to families in December 2021. Well, parents are hearing from the IRS again in the form of a letter. Tax preparer Edward Garner stated that the letter is basic information summarizing payments received from the child tax credit and informing families that if they received the advance credit, then they won't get the full amount on the 2021 tax return. There are a few ways to determine whether or not one may owe the IRS. One way is if you claimed a child in 2020 but not in 2021. You may possibly owe. Another way to tell is if you received a monthly payment but usually do not get a tax refund. Certified public accountant Neil B. Courtney stated that if you received a raise or a higher paying job, it is possible that you will have to pay back some or all of the monthly payments you received if your new income level puts you above the eligibility limits or above your 2020 income. And that is because the advanced child tax credit payments were based on your 2020 income, not your 2021 income. Texas's company and grocery store chain H-E-B has purchased a building in southern Dallas. The building, nearly 59,000 square feet, is a supermarket that was initially built for Albertsons and opened in 1985. Albertsons operated the building until 2004, and the building has since been vacant. Senior Director of Public Affairs for H-E-B, Mabry Jackson, stated that no construction date has been set. H-E-B currently has more than 420 stores across Texas and Mexico. As always, thank you for being here with us. Goodbye for now.